this is Thomas Center 3, and this is another unboxing. I just had one of this yesterday. Click here to see it. Click here to see the touch. It kinda sucks. Click here for the classic. Click here for the nano. I'm just gonna put them as separate annotations. Come on. Right here, right here, right here, and right here. The earphones don't count, so. The target. These are two different things. Well, I need to. Whoa, too low. Whoa, camera's low battery, gotta charge it soon. It's gonna be unedited again because, yeah. Okay, thank God I have scissors here. I had scissors. There. So it's like just like this unboxing. I'm gonna edit it in like a week or two. So Skullcandy Hesh. Oh yeah, these are good. A little bit small, but they barely fit over my ear, so they're good. See, well, there. Why would you need to activate it? Huh, this little Skullcandy thing. Oh, it's a stencil. Oh, cool. Skullcandy stuff. Dude, I hate, you know those blue in-ear earbuds? Headphones or whatever? Those things suck. Those don't even fit in my ear. Little case for what? Whoa, that's a big case. Cool little case for it. Little extender. Okay, good. The headphone jack looks well, it looks better than the other one. Oh. So, another extender cable. It's my second one now. See how good it is. I'm just gonna plug it in my classic. This little thing, it's volume controls, I think. It has a little clip on it too. There it is. I'm not gonna bleep this out. It's uncut too.
Peter, what are you doing? Crack? What the fuck? Hey, at least I'm not drinking, Brian.
I actually got another unboxing, but I already did this, so I'm not gonna put it in the title. I got this for my shuffle, so this can be used with it. So I can use this with it, that's what I'm going to say. Okay, that's good enough. Let's see. Let's see. Still twisted up like that. Put this in here. Whoa, that's better than my old headphones. Okay. Plug this into here, so if I drop it, I'll know where it is. See, here's the crap. I got I don't want these anymore. I think I threw them out already. Forget it, I'll just show in the next video or something, so. I have to plug it in here, because it's an extender. You know what, I'm gonna have to stop this video. Well, I'm done anyway, so. So I'll see you in the next video, which I don't know when it'll be. And plus, I made a new playlist. It's called iPods. Yeah. There's all the history from all the iPods I had. So I'll put a link in the description somewhere. So see ya.